Oh my goodness. Yep, you're right.
Of course, that's the outside addition.
With the big fireplace.
Yes, and it does work.
It does?
My goodness.
Modern appliances, dishwasher,
My big farm table would fit in here great.
Yeah, it would.
butcher block, and so forth.
I like the lighting they
And through
did.
that door is the laundry and the outside door.
Okay.
And here's where you pass the food through to that anchor. And no poles.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. Okay. So this is the washroom with tile floor.
One of the phone's lying in the house, but there's one here.
Oh man, that's an antique right there.
Yeah. Bathroom and laundry. That door goes outside.
Okay.
City door
Val, cute little window. City water?
from Chatham Lane.
And what
I'm gonna
goes?
have to double check that, but I don't know where else it's coming from, but I've not seen it. That door is hard to open.
Oh, okay. Well,
It's, I had it open